papaya.
नहीं मम्मा मम्मा
Mama. Mama.
हाँ
Hello.
नहीं खाना है गंदा है छी छी गुम गुम या Hi, I'm Simran and I'm Arav's mom. He's 1.5 years old and I'm here to share my experience as a new mom. When you become a mother, each milestone feels like a victory. From those tiny kicks in the womb to the first cries after birth. Each moment is precious, right? These moments are just the moments until one day they become memories. I still remember the first time he laughed and his first cry were the moments I couldn't capture as memories. For me, the moment which I was waiting for happened one morning unexpectedly. Arav was just playing around and was in need of some toys which he couldn't reach. He probably was feeling helpless, and at that point, he called Mama. I was working in my study and my ears felt, what? Did he really say that? I rushed to the living room and asked him what did he say. He again said mama and then he pointed to a toy. I just can't express what it meant to me. When he first said mama, it made me feel like I'm doing a good job as a mom. It showed me that he knows I'm here. I'm here for him, to take care of him every day. Being a mom is not just about doing mom duties like changing diapers or being there for him when he's sad. It's more than that. It's about a special connection between a mother and a child. A connection that needs no words to be understood. It was like he was saying, "You're the best mom ever," even though he couldn't speak in full sentences yet. That word mama made me realize that how much my son counts on me. It made me feel needed, it made me feel loved in a way nothing else could. Isn't it amazing like how a small word mama can hold so much meaning? As my son grows, there will be many more firsts, first steps and other countless milestones. But nothing can compare to the memory when he looked at me and said mama for the very first time. That's incredible. It's a memory I want to treasure forever. A reminder of an incredible bond between a mother and a son. So to all moms out there, enjoy and capture those little moments. The first smiles, the first steps, and especially the first mama. Because in those moments, you'll find the real joy of being a mom. A journey filled with love, care, and happiness. So I came across Songkr through a friend and was stunned with the technology they provide. The depth in the brand made me feel that I shouldn't miss on capturing the important moments and definitely want to treasure my child's first mama. So thankful to Songkr for making this possible, for bringing joy to me and many more moms like me. My baby now speaks mama non-stop, but his first will always have a huge place in my heart. That was the moment when he first validated me as his mother. The sense of motherhood was fulfilled at that moment. I have kept this frame of his first mama right in front of me. Whenever I feel I'm not doing good as a mother or I'm lacking somewhere, I just look into this and listen to this and I know I will do it right. He loves me.